this part here is just recently sealed, but there's glass underneath here, and then you go right down into the catacomb.
Oh right, yeah.
So it was the 75th anniversary of the 1916, of the Rising or whatever, and they opened up this purposely to show them. Show them. And
the different time shows where they have a little orchestra sitting along here as well, or ballets or whatever they put on.
Class.
Right, ownership.
Right, I'm going to play a little piece. My son Kieran's birthday today. He knows Kieran well. Two of them had enough mutual love of boats.
Good.
And I'm going to play a little piece that I composed for myself a few years ago in Ishtam in Shaska. He's not Shaska, 60. He's 24 today.
Happy birthday, Kieran.
Should have written a little list.
Uh-huh.
Should have written a little list.
No, look, listen, you just keep on going for it.